Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to take you to my homeland, that's Gujarat, and I'm going to show you how to make a traditional, delicious, simple Gujarati appetizer called the Khandvi. To start, we'll take the gram chana flour, add to it all the dry ingredients like the salt, the turmeric, asafoetida, the green chili paste. Now start adding the wet ingredients like the curd, your 1.5 cups of water. Give it a good mix, and then with a hand blender we need to make it a complete fine paste. And that's done. Now next we need to do is heat this mixture. I need to continuously stir it while it's being heated till the paste becomes absolutely thick. As you can see, there are lumps already forming, which is fine. As it starts thickening, you need to rub it vigorously to ensure that there are no lumps being formed. This is the kind of consistency that we are looking at. Now whilst it's very hot, we are going to spread this paste on a flat thali. Ensure the surface of the thali is absolutely smooth. This takes approximately 7 minutes to 8 minutes of vigorous stirring on a low flame. We're going to spread this on to a thali. What I need to do is spread it all over the flat surface of the thali. Rub it all over. You may find it hot, but that's fine. Ensure that it's a very thin layer. We don't want the khandvi to be very thick, and as you are spreading it, just keep turning the thali around so that it's evenly spread all over. You may find some dried lumps, just remove them. This will take some amount of practice. So I'm just going to let these dry out for 5 minutes, and then we'll start rolling them. Make a cut around the diameter of the thali. Very lightly start rolling it, and this is how it will roll out. From the edges you start rolling it. The edges are what's important. Try to roll them as thinly and gently as possible. Cut into smaller pieces. We are still yet to temper these. So here I have with me the hot oil for tempering the khandvi along with the mustard seeds. And I'm just going to pour this over the khandvis. Be liberal with the oil, the tempering. And to finish it, all we're going to do is garnish it with some coconut and coriander. And your khandvi is ready to be served. Let's try one of these delicate khandvis and with chutney. Lovely. So if you liked what I've shown you today, a simple Gujarati traditional recipe of how to make the khandvi, and you try this at home, don't forget to leave me your comments and your feedback. I would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat, so you get continuous updates on my very simple and exciting vegetarian recipes.